Now this network is called delta network because it looks like Greek alphabet delta. Similarly, this network is called star network. Now let us consider this is terminal A, this is terminal B, this is terminal C, and resistance between terminal A and terminal B is named as resistance RAB. Similarly, resistance between the terminal B and terminal C is named as RBC. Similarly, resistance between the terminal A and terminal C is named as resistance RCA. Now, this is terminal A in star network, terminal B and terminal C. This resistance is named as resistance R1. Similarly, this is resistance R2. This is resistance R3. Now, we can read this delta network like this. This is resistance RAB, this is resistance RCA, and this is resistance RBC. Now this network looks like Greek alphabet pi. That's why it is named as pi network. Similarly, we can read this star network like this. Now this is terminal A, this is terminal B, this is terminal C. This is resistance R1, this is resistance R2, this is resistance R3. This network looks like English alphabet T. That's why it is named as T network. Similarly, we can read this star network like this. This is named as Y network because it looks like English alphabet Y. Now, in this topic, our aim is to convert this delta network to its equivalent star network. Now, we have to convert this delta network to its equivalent star network. Here is terminal A, B, C, RBC, RCA. We have to find the equivalent star network of this delta network. When we will call these two networks are equivalent. The condition is when equivalent resistance between two terminal in delta network is exactly equal to the value of equivalent resistance between same two terminal in delta network, in star network. Now what I say? I said that equivalent resistance between terminal A and B in delta network is exactly equal to the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B in star network. Similarly, the equivalent resistance between terminal B and C in delta network is exactly equal to the equivalent resistance between terminal B and C in star network. Similarly, equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal C in delta network is exactly equal to the equivalent resistance between the terminal A and terminal C in star network. Then we can say these two networks are equivalent. Now let us consider two networks, star and delta, A, B, C. Here RAB, RCA and RBC. Let us consider that value of RAB is 2 ohm. Similarly, value of RBC is 4 ohm. Similarly, value of RCA is 6 ohm. Now let R1 equal to 1 ohm, R2 equal to 2/3 ohm and R3 equal to 2 ohm. 2 ohm. Now we will check these two networks are equivalent or not. Now at first we will calculate the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B in delta network. Let R equivalent between terminal A and B in delta network. Now these two resistance is series and value of these two resistance is parallel with RAB. That means RAB is parallel with RCA and RBC. RCA is 6 ohm, here is 4 ohm, that means 6 ohm plus 4 ohm 10 ohm, 2 into 10 ohm by 2 plus 10 ohm equal to 20 divided by 12 equal to 5 divided by 3 ohm. Similarly, R equivalent between terminal B and C in delta network. For BC, RAB is series with RCA and this two is parallel with RBC. So RBC parallel with RAB plus RCA. Now RAB is 2 ohm, RCA is 6 ohm, 2 plus 6 8 ohm, 4 ohm parallel with 8 ohm. Divided by 3 ohm. Similarly, we will find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and C. For terminal AC, RAB and RBC parallel with RCA. Now 2 ohm plus 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm parallel with 6 ohm. 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, 36 divided by 2 ohm equal to 3 ohm. Now we will also find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B in star network. Now R equivalent between terminal A and B in star network. For star network, equivalent resistance between terminal A and B is R1 plus R2. Because R3 is open circuit, so current does not flow through this path. So we will not consider the resistance R3. Now assume that you are connected a voltage source between terminal A and B. So current flow like this. No current flow through the resistance R3. So we will not consider the resistance R3. Now R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 by 3 ohm equal to 5 by 3 ohm. Similarly, R equivalent between terminal B and C in star network R2 plus R3. Now R2 is 2 by 3 ohm plus 2 ohm equal to 3, 6 plus 2 equal to 8 divided by 3 ohm. Similarly, R equivalent between terminal C and A in star network is equal to R1 plus R3. R1 is 1 ohm, R3 is 2 ohm equal to 3 ohm. Now consider that now we already find that value of equivalent resistance between terminal A and B in delta network is 5 by 3, and star network also the value of equivalent resistance between terminal A and B is 5 by 3. Similarly, value of equivalent resistance between terminal B and C in delta network is 8 by 3, and value of equivalent resistance between terminal B and C in star network is also 8 by 3. Similarly, here is 3 ohm, here is also 3 ohm. So we can say these both network are equivalent. Now question is that how do you find the value of R1, R2 and R3 if RAB, RCA and RBC is given? Now let us consider this network is given. How do you find the value of R1, R2, R3? In our next video we will find the formula for resistance R1, resistance R2 and resistance R3 if RAB, RCA and RBC is given.